how to add emoji in edits. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add emojis. First of all, open the application. Now here in the middle, you can see this project icon. Simply tap on this project icon. So these are the projects available. Now we can create a new project or directly open the older ones. Here I'm tapping on my older one. Now in order to add emoji, it's very simple. Here on the bottom, there are different tools that are available. Now simply tap on this text button. So here you can see, or you can add any type of text, but here you can even add emoji by the keypad here. So simply tap on the emoji that you want to add, and here on the right top, tap on done. So as you can see, this emoji has been popped up. Now you can frame it and you can even edit it where to keep it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.